Guys, today I'm gonna be playing some more Brawl Stars. No, let's do this, boys. Okay, and so probably gonna do like 5 matches. Probably gonna be doing this with Super City Rampage. I will be doing that. And let's get to it. Oh yeah, and thank you, I think it's called Wacky Leaf. I don't remember, I got a bad memory, but thank you for the support, and thank you, Handsome Quo. Thank you very much for the support. I really appreciate it. See, guys, I think I will. Oh no! Oh no! Come on! I need to be quiet. So if you don't hear me talking that much, because I need to be quiet. Because it's basically I know it's bad for me to say wait, but I can still do this. I mean, I used to have an intro, but I don't know what happened to it. Yes. Come on. Oh no, I just used my HP. Oh yo. Oh, I should have used my healing support thing. Can I let's do this? Come on, I can do this. Damn, I had to go Super Saiyan. Oh. Oh yes. No, you will not win. Damn it. Gotta go Super Saiyan. No, you know what? I'll go Ultra Instincts. Let's go. Ultra Instincts mode activating. Let's go. Get away. Get away. Boy, get ready. Oh. Wait. Oh, wait. Ring around the rosy. Ring around the rosy. Ring around the rosy. I messed up big time. I messed up big time. I screamed. We took the dub. I'm gonna be using this too, and I'm gonna be playing some heist. This is gonna be my second match. 3 more matches to go, and this video is over. Let's do this. Okay, I changed my name because my name was inappropriate. Oh no, boy, nah, you won't get the best of me, boy. We're gonna win no matter what. I will not give up. Oh, at least here they have 85-inch. At least the heisting or like box has 85% of health, and all of them are distracted. That's good. Oh, come on. Gotta be kidding me. Oh, well. Oh, Nani? Michael Leaf, I have a question for you. Do you watch anime? Because I think I heard you say Nani. Do you know what that is? Nani? Nani? Tomorrow I'm probably posting 2 times a day. One's gonna be about Brawl Stars, and the other one's gonna be Come on. Oh, no. I'm a clutch. Oh. How the heck did that happen? Let's go. This is way too easy. No. Should not get cocky. I gotta go here. You know, I'm still gonna be using the same dude. I need to level him up. To level 10. Probably gonna be playing Showdown. Like, remember my last video? Yeah. It's so hard to get legendary. The legendary that I really want is Quo. I don't know why. The board Quo. Take the scale Quo. Oh, come on, boy. Yeah, boy. Over there. I'll get this dude from this side. You get that dude. Oh, yep. I'm not be alive. Come on, but run away. What are you doing? Come on, but oh yeah, this is my third match. Just one. What? But 2 more matches. I still need 2 more matches. You know what? I did 3. This is my 4th one. Then the 2nd one, the 3rd one, and that's the quiz for today. Come on, boy. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Yes. Yeah, boys. Yeah. See, never give up. Never give up. And you and them can achieve your goals. Oh no. This is bad. Come on. Oh yeah. Yes. How you like that? No. What? No. You better kill me. Why me? Why me? Why is it always me? Oh. Can you please move? No, you probably got AFK thing. Oh. Wait. Oh. He just soloed. He just 1v2'd them. And completely destroyed them. And use another character. This is the only character I'm really good at. And I barely unboxed for today, I think. I'm pushing the 2nd match. Right. Can't believe 8 minutes passed by so fast. Oh yeah, and if you're still watching my video, Wacky Leaf and Handsome Crow, where do you edit your videos? I really want to know, because I really want to edit mine so I can make it more funnier. Come on, boy, you catch up. I was trying to edit, but it seems really hard. And this probably is, right? Because I gotta do all these things. And if you have a long video, then it's gonna be really hard. And you gotta put all the funny stuff and all that. You gotta perfect everything. Oh, what to say? Probably. Come on, boy. Oh, damn. Oh my gosh, you're dead. Hey, let's go. Oh, you trying to come at me, boy? Trying to come at me? Yeah, how do you like that? How do you like that? Da 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 da. How you like that? Come on, kill Woko or Poco, I don't know. Or Lucas. That's his name. Draco. Oh yes, I think we won this. Oh no, they healed up. Oh no, bad. Can you go for that? Go for this. Team on. I'm sorry, man. Have to. Oh wait, you didn't kill him? Hey, let's go. Hey, I think he got to level 10. Nope, one more match. And then he gets to level 10. And I get 1,000. Let's go. Let's do this, boys. I know we can do this. Go. Yeah, how do you like that? Oh, yeah. How do you like that? I'm gonna pause the video so you guys don't have to wait that long. Okay, I'm back. I'm back from the dead. Now time to get my revenge. Let's go. Oh yeah, and if you hear a fan, that's because there's a fan on. Because it's really hot in here, so I really had to put it on. Come on. I mean, you're basically the same. But I have rockets. You have... You have poison. I'm gonna pause the video, okay? I'm a back. Oh, don't bully my friend. I'm gonna get revenge. Yes, I'm gonna get revenge on you. I remember you. You're the one that killed me last time. Oh yeah, how you like that? I'm dead. Yep. Come on, Cullen boy. Give me revenge for me. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Hey guys, he got to level 10. And see you on the next one. Bye bye. Yeah.